Okay, what's going on, guys? My name is Tal, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. So today I'm heading to McCarran Skate Park, like I do in almost all my videos. I'll try and do some new stuff though and make it more interesting. So like, it rained last night and there's fog right now and it looks insane. So I'm gonna try and take a cool time lapse intro thingy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so one thing I want to say real quick. This morning I woke up and like checked my YouTube analytics and stuff, and today I hit over 10,000 views total. So I just want to thank you all for that. Okay, that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm sorry there wasn't as much talking today, and like it was more just like raw skating. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to let me know by leaving a like and a comment below. I post videos every 3 days, so if you haven't subscribed already, make sure to do so. Besides that, thank you all for watching. Peace.
Dude, that looks good.